Yes, doctors do agree that gut health is one of the single most important factors to stay looking and feeling young while slimming down and defending against chronic diseases as you age. But the how-to that you've been told has been proven wrong. This is especially important if you want to increase energy, boost mood, and deadly inflammation, boost your immune system, and have your skin, hair, and nails looking their best, all while you finally get rid of the stubborn belly fat that can accumulate in and around your gut. And we've all heard about the toxic dangers of a damaged or leaky gut. Skin problems, autoimmune diseases, heart disease, even mental issues such as depression, brain fog, and forgetfulness have all been tied to leaky gut. All of it just makes you look and feel older than you need to. So how old or young is your gut microbiome? You can even see it in some people's faces who look older than they need to because their damaged and expanding gut is making them suffer and age far faster than they need to. And remember that as you age, it becomes harder and harder to simply eat right for a healthy gut because of age-related gut issues and the lack of a very specific nutrient found in the lower colon, as I'll show you more about in just a moment. I know it's a stinky subject, but pooping is your body's natural way to get rid of the deadly chemicals and heavy metals that we are all more and more exposed to every single day. See, we don't really know why some people react to leaky gut with different conditions and diseases, but one thing we do know for certain is that we are all surrounded by these deadly chemicals every single day, and they are making us look and feel older than we should. Do you drink water? You are being exposed then, no matter the source or filtration. Do you eat food? Then you're being exposed, no matter how organic or wild-caught it is. Do you live in a home that has carpet, drywall, or air conditioning? You are being exposed no matter how much you clean. Heck, do you breathe air? Because if you do, you are being exposed no matter how many filters or masks you use. Now, please let me be clear. This isn't about being terrified of this modern toxin terrorism, and it's definitely not about just pooping more. It's about pooping better. Seriously. I'm not talking about laxatives or anything like them. I am talking about pooping beautifully, thanks to a truly healthy gut that makes sure your body releases the toxins the way it was so miraculously designed to do so. In fact, a new slim gut health shortcut being researched at places like Harvard Medical School and Johns Hopkins may actually eliminate the need for excessive fiber and probiotics while dramatically reducing leaky gut. My name is Jonathan Bailor, New York Times bestselling author and Chief Research Director at SANE Solution, America's leading wellness engineering company. And over the last 20 years, my medical research has gone viral, as they say, thanks to all the media coverage and endorsements from top celebrities and top doctors from Harvard Medical School, Johns Hopkins, the Mayo Clinic, the Cleveland Clinic, and other top medical centers because of its proven anti-aging, mood and energy boosting, disease prevention, and weight loss results. And I personally, I've left behind the bloating, gas, and diarrhea of excess fiber and the cost of probiotics because this slim gut postbiotic secret, it's exactly what I take every morning right after I brush my teeth. I wasn't even sure what to think about it when I saw it at first because it almost sounded too good to be true when our formulators gave me the first batch. But after years of research from dozens of medical doctors and having seen the shocking study results and frankly, even more importantly, the personal experience of a complete elimination of gas, bloating, and bathroom issues, along with amazing moods and all-day energy, I won't go a morning without it. And it all goes back to the fact that one of the few things doctors and scientists all agree on, and that research at top universities proves, is that to lose weight, to live a long, healthy, energy-filled life, and to ensure you don't age faster than you should, you must have a healthy, slim gut microbiome. Because every single area of your health and aging is connected to your gut. But again, the truth is that you've been lied to about how to have a healthy gut and even what a healthy gut means. Just for a moment, please stop and really think about that. What does it even really mean to have a healthy gut? And what could it mean if you could literally poop out your health problems?